What's going on, guys? Welcome to this short video where I'm going to break down this gold trade we took today in the VIP group. Look at that, beautiful. And if you haven't watched my Sunday analysis breakdown video, I highly recommend you do, because this is going to make more sense, number one, and so you can see everything that we forecasted to happen on Sunday from market open here has played out exactly as we predicted on Sunday. Now, how did we predict this with such accuracy? So we just look at order flow. So the first thing I was looking at before I took this trade, even on the weekend before we started this week, is we've got this daily change of character here. We've got two very strong resistance levels here, 1 and 2. So with the daily change of character, I'm looking for buys because now the daily is bullish. What I want to see is the 4-hour term bullish, the 1-hour term bullish, the 15 minutes term bullish, so that we can trade high probability with order flow. And if we see our patterns lining up with the time frames lining up with support and resistance, we've got almost a guaranteed trade there that's going to play out in our favor. And the reason so many people fail in trading is because they're too impatient to let these fail out. They think that they need to be in a trade all the time, when that's just not true. You know, if you just wait for your setups to come patiently, you'll find that your win rate goes up, and so does your confidence, guys. So we've got a daily change of character here, and this is what I was looking at on Friday. Price was touching into the daily low, so we've got the daily low here, look. And as long as this daily low holds, we are bullish. I was looking for buys. So we can see here, if we go down to the 4-hour, what have we got here? We have got another 4-hour change of character. So we've got a daily change of character, we've got daily bullish, and now we've got a 4-hour change of character. So we've got the 4-hour bullish. So how did we predict this level here? Now, I was looking at the 50% pullback. Price did push a little bit below that, but my main key level was this level here, this one here. Now, as we said earlier, yes, we've got this head and shoulders, but it's not actually formed yet. But if this head and shoulders were to play out, it couldn't go any further really than this level. So with this level holding, that's hinting to me that we're going to potentially have a higher time frame head and shoulders playing out. And if we look at order flow in the past from this zone, we can see, look, last time price was in this zone, it hit this level. Last time price touched this zone, it hit this level. Last time price was at this level, it came to this level. You see price ranges between these levels here. And if we go back in the past, you can see when structure broke here, price tapped this level, went to this level, the same level it's coming up to now. So we know based on the history of this level, price has got a high probability to go back to this level when this level holds here. So what I was looking at here, guys, is for this level to hold. Now, the dollar, as we said at the beginning of the week, was at a level of indecisiveness. It was here. And I did pre-warn everyone on this video here that we're going to have a lot of turbulence here. We've got a fake out here, which sent gold pushing up. Here, look, the fake out, as the dollar faked down, gold pushed up, gold came down. We expected that, because we expect gold and we expect these kind of trades to fake out and fake out before they make the real move. Because when they make the real move, there's no stopping that real move. And if the real move was easy to find, everyone would make money all the time. They don't want that. They want to take as many people out as possible. But if we're smart, we can catch these trades and we can figure out what they're doing. So let's go back to this trade here. So what was I looking at here? I was looking for price to come back down to this level. Ideally, I was looking at the 50%. I was looking at this previous candle level here for resistance. And you can see at first, we were getting a lot of rejection here. And we took a trade here the other day because we see this dollar sign here. Liquidity was swiped from the London. And then we got a big push up, internal breaker structure. We took a buy there. It came close. This is the move I was looking for. It came close to TP1. And then I told everyone to close at entry because it failed to bring break the next swing high. And when that happens, high probability that the previous swing low is going to be retested, which would have gone down to our stop loss. So I just took it out because there's no point in holding trades, especially through a range with minimal confirmation. So we took that one out of break even, and then we just waited for confirmation. So today what I was looking at, guys, is my focus is all on this level. Yes, when market opened here, we had a fake push up to the trend line, rejection of the trend line, nice sell. That was a nice sell there. A lot of people took that. I saw people taking it. I saw people make a lot of money off that. However, I was waiting for my main move. I was waiting for my higher time frame bias to play out with my lower time frame buyers and follow the dollar breakout here, which I was expecting. As long as this level here was holding, we knew that gold was going to break out to the upside. So this head and shoulders and resistance level here was lining up with the trend line break and the consolidation and mess around here. We just had to time it right and wait for the correct move. Yesterday I was trying to time it right. We didn't capture it and we ended up at break even. However, today we got it perfect, and that's because we saw this level failing to break. 4-hour candle close there, 4-hour candle close there again. If we go down to the lower time frames here, we've got the trend here. Look, we could have taken it on the trend break. I didn't take it on the trend break because I was confident here. If we go down to the lower time frames at a lower time frame breaker structure, little change of character here again. So you can see change of character here, here, and then price pushed up, broke structure, and then we had a failed low. Once I had that failed low, look, and that engulfing candle here, that was my confirmation for entry. We had the higher time frame coupled with the lower time frame. We had the 4-hour candle closing above, the 4-hour candle closing above again. So we knew price was struggling to close below there. And after we saw the second failed low, if you even look on the 30-minute, look, we got a push down, and then we got reversal pattern here. And then you saw gold starting to take off there. And then from there, once we broke trend here, you could have added more positions. And now look, price is consolidating on another level of support. So if support holds here, we might look to take more entries. I don't think I'm going to look to take any more today. I'm going to see what tomorrow brings. But that's how we caught this move, guys. And if you've got any questions on this move, guys, just drop them in the comments. So I highly recommend you go watch this video first so you can see how the forecast from Sunday played out exactly as we planned. And then you'll be able to see how price played out perfectly on gold as well from there, and how we were able to capture this move based on what I've said, using the higher time frame to lower time frame analysis, using support and resistance levels coupled with patterns and coupled with reading price action. So that's it for this video, guys. As I say, if you've got any comments, drop them down below. If you're not in the signals room, get in it, guys. I don't see anybody online with a signal room as packed with value for the price I charge. Actually saying that, I don't see many people online, even the big gurus, $100, $200 a month subscription with a service, anything actually like mine. I can vouch for probably 1 or 2 groups online that have a couple of big teams, and they've got a really, really good service, you know, but they charge 5 times the amount I do for practically the same value. Also, guys, don't forget, I've got my live trading account that I'm currently scaling up. If you go on my 5K challenge here, guys, a live account, you can follow along. It's on my Instagram. I'll leave the link below. And I'll leave the link below. And that's it, guys. So that's how we caught the trade today. Beautiful bit of price action, high time frame to low time frame. As I say, got any questions, leave them in the comments. Apart from that, have a good night, guys, and I'll speak to you soon.